Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm at Triangle Nursery HQ and I will be doing a video on picking and packing an order for a customer tomorrow. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that love button and also subscribe for up and coming videos on flower guides, flower conditioning and behind the scenes here at Triangle Nursery HQ. So let's get started. So we're starting in the cold store and today's order is Rosemary's, where our picker is carefully selected each item on the order. Now Rosemary's selected a beautiful mix of stocks, roses, alstroemeria, waxflower, a lovely combination that could be used for funeral arrangements, weddings and other special occasions. Now each stem is quality checked as it's picked by two pickers. Once the selection is complete, everything is placed onto a trolley and the picker attaches the associated order onto the trolley. So our team can easily identify and track it through its dispatch. The trolley is then rolled to the packing department where our dedicated packers take over. Now at Triangle Nursery we understand that flowers are perishable and delicate, so our packing process is designed to offer the best possible protection in transit. Each bunch is carefully wrapped using waxed craft paper which helps to retain the moisture whilst shielding petals and stems. We then secure the flowers using corrugated cardboard sheets. We use water activated tape which is applied for extra strength and sustainability. It's all then stapled in place to keep everything tight and cushioned whilst it's in transit. All our orders are packed and placed into our custom branded boxes that are florist grade and courier approved. These are specifically designed to accommodate for the varying stem lengths and the flower types that we dispatched whilst also maintaining that structural integrity during transit. Now, we haven't demonstrated in this order because it's not necessary, but we do have different packing methods for different flowers. For example, large-headed flowers like dahlias, agapanthus, sunflowers that are more vulnerable do often need that extra support or cushioning to protect their heads and stems in transit. Now, I must say a disclaimer, despite all these precautions, it is important to remember that we work with fresh products and very occasionally issues may occur because of fragile stems, natural imperfections, transit damage. That being said, we continually test and adapt our packing techniques to minimise this as much as possible. And finally, all that's left to do is to label them with the correct addresses, strap band them so that they're ready for the journey and ready for our courier collection. And that's it, one beautiful carefully packed order on its way to Rosemary. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes content, flower care tips and floristry inspiration from all of us at Triangle Nursery. Bye for now.